Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the rich girl dance trend. This dance was choreographed by Orlando Lucas, so this is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, go step by step using a lot of repetition. Please note this video is the tutorial only, so you will not find the music in this video. However, I do dance it with music in a separate video that I have linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this dance looks like with music. All right, let's have some fun. Here we go. We're gonna break the moves down into counts of 8, and there are 2 8 counts total. Let's do it. Our first 8 count, you're gonna start just your feet. You're gonna rock or hop kind of from side to side, left, right, right. And I'm kind of throwing that right foot out to the side a little. This doesn't necessarily look great on my body, and I'm okay with that because I'm still moving and having fun. So don't worry about what it looks like, just have fun with it. 1 and 2 and. Your hands, like a rich girl, we're gonna throw our money away. You're just gonna go forward, forward. And as you come back, they kind of do a little like quick 1 and 2 and, like up, down, but if you just want to go 1, 2, you can do that too. So left hand's flat, right hand is sweeping forward, 1 and 2 and. So as you step on the left foot, the right arm goes forward. 5, 6, step on your left. This is 1 and 2 and. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, step on your left. We go 1, 2, and you're gonna step out to your left. Your left hand is gonna pull up by your chest. You're gonna go 3, and you're gonna fold it in, and then you're gonna step on your right, 4, and you're gonna fold it in as you step together, and. So it's 3 and 4, and. Just your left arm, fold it in, both arms, fold it in. You're stepping out to your left, left, contract, right, contract, and step your left foot in. That's 3 and 4 and. Yeah? Again, it doesn't have to look good, it just has to feel good. Or feel okay. 3 and 4 and. Again, left contract, right contract. Just try that. Go 3 and 4 and you can tuck your head down too on that last count. 3 and 4 contract. So from the top we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll count you in. 5, 6, step on your left. We have 1 and 2 and left together, right together. One more time. 5, 6, step on your left. You got it. 1 and 2 and left and right. And from here, your hands are just gonna come down. You can kind of flex your wrists. You're gonna step open with your left foot, and then you're gonna bring your right foot over to your left. So that's the basic step. You're opening, and then you're closing to this corner and bring your wrists together there. So this was 4 and you're stepping 5, you're closing 6, and you can pop your head down again on that 6. And as you step open, you're just gonna roll your body in whatever way feels best to you. So think about like pushing your chest forward and then rock your hips along with it. And then if you're like, what? Just move. If you're moving, you're doing it right. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. You can't mess it up. It's just for fun. So we contracted on and. You're stepping to the left, 5, 6. So you have a whole count to circle your body around. So this was 3 and 4 and step. 5 and circle and come back here, 6, bringing those arms together. Oh, I'm saying things. Try it from here. 5, 6, step on your left foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Yeah, try it again for me. 5, 6, step on your left. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and around. Contract here. So we close everything in. You're going to step back to the front. 7, step your left foot in. 8. So you're just going 7, 8. Your arms are going to come up 7, clap 8. 7, 8. And as you do that, you can do a little shake, contract of your body. Up, clap. 7, 8. 7, 8. And if you want to, you can look down when you clap. 7, look, 8, and you're going to pop your head back up on and. 7 and look, look. Yeah. Right, look, look. 7 and 8 and. So this was here on 4. You're stepping to the left. 5, fold. 6, step back to your right and contract. 7, 8 and. Ooh, again from here, we're going to step to the left. 1, 2, 3, step to your left. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8 and. Yeah. Very slowly from the top of our first 8 count. You're doing awesome. 5, 6, step on your left. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, step right, 7, clap, 8 and. Try it again for me. 5, 6, step on your left foot. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Amazing job. That was our first 8 count. You're doing awesome. If you need to pause this and practice it, you can. It's a recorded tutorial. Go back, watch those steps again. When you're ready, you're already halfway through. When you're ready to go on to our second 8 count, jump in with me here. So we just went 7 and 8 and. Your hands, you're gonna touch your head, right, left, and then you're gonna cross to the opposite hip, right, left. So arms are right, left, right, left. You're going head, head, hip, hip, but crossing at the bottom. As you do that, you're gonna step out to your left and kind of hit your hip side to side. Left, right, left, right. So your hips and your hands are in opposition. Your arms are going right, left, right, left. Your hips are going left, right, left, right. Yeah? So you're here, 5, 6, step out to your left. This is left. 5, 6, step out to your left. This is 1 and 2 and. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, step out to your left. This is 1 and 2 and. You're gonna circle everything here to the left. So your arms are in fists. They're gonna circle around like this to the left, like they're falling to the left. And as you do that, you're leaning, like tuck your elbows in, you're leaning into that left leg. We're gonna make 2 complete rotations, I believe. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and they're gonna keep coming around for our next step. So we have right, left, bring your hands together in fist, circle, circle. Yeah, and you're just sitting. You can even like pull your knees the same way that your arms are going. 3, 4. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Try it. 5, 6, step open to your left. You got it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. From here, your arms keep going. You're gonna step forward with your right. 5. And I'm gonna look over here. So right elbow comes up strong with the right leg coming to the front. 5. You're gonna step forward. 6. So we go. Feet are going right, left. Yes? You're stepping front, front. So you have to make sure you have some clearance in front of you. Arms are going right. You can look to the back or look to the side. And then your arms are gonna pull up and down and then back up. Ooh, you can lift your shirt or whatever. I'm just gonna lift my arms up. So this is gonna be 5, 6, and. You're gonna pull them back up on and. If you wanna look down on 6, you can. So you can look back, down, up, and then on 7, 8, you're gonna roll your hips. So you can roll one hip, you can roll both hips, you can touch your body, whatever you wanna do on 7, 8. And that's it, that's all the choreography. So our last 5, 6, 7, 8, we went 3, 4, you're gonna bring this right arm around, 5, You're gonna bring, 5, you're gonna bring your left foot to the front, push your arms down, 6, pull your arms up on the count of and, so it'll be quick, 6 and then you'll rock your hips in whichever way you want, 7, 8, and that's it. So our second 8 count, really slow. We finish with our hands clasped. You're gonna step to your left, right arm's gonna touch your head first on 1 and hips, 2, and we circle, 3 and 4 and 5, then 6 and 7, 8. And if you want to go 6 and like touch your body there instead of pulling them all the way up, or you can leave them down and just pop your head and roll. It's really make it your own. You can't mess it up. Just move and have fun. Okay, second 8 count again. I'm gonna count you in. We're gonna go 1 and 2 and nice and slow. 5, 6, step out on your left. You got it. 1 and 2 and circle, right elbow, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, try it again. Just our second 8 count. 5, 6, step to your left. You got it. 1 and 2, circle, 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, very, very nice. It's all for fun, y'all. Let's go back to the top. We're putting our 2 8 counts together super duper slow. Here's how they'll connect. We did this, 5, 6. You step back to the right. 7, 8, and 1. So you have to go down, up, 1, and 2, and. We'll step right into our second 8 count. Here we go. We're going to go super duper slow from 1 and 2, and. Here we go. 5, 6, step on your left. You got it. 1 and 2, left, 3, right, 4, and open, 5 together, 6, step right, 7, clap, 8, step left, 1 and 2, circle, 3, 4, then right, left, and circle, circle. Fantastic job. Let's go again. We're gonna go slow again for me. Here we go. Even slower so we can really get those steps in. Stepping on that left foot. Here we go. 5, 6, step on your left. We got it. 1 and 2 and left and right. Step, open, together, step, right, clap, left. 1 and 2, circle the arms. 3, 4, then 5, front, 6 and 7, 8, and yeah, amazing job. All right, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna go a little faster. If you're not ready, go back and watch those slower tempos as many times as you need to. So let's go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, you got it. Step on your left. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, open, 5, 6, 7, and 8, step left. 1 and 2, circle, 3, 4, right arm, 5, left arm, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, amazing job. You're doing such an awesome job. We're gonna do it one more time here together when you're ready. Closer up to the actual tempo of the song. It's gonna be faster. It's gonna be fun. I believe in you. Let's go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, you got it. Step on your left. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and open, together, step right, down, up, left, 3, 4, look, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, amazing job. Oh boy. And that was our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. You did an amazing job. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. Remember, if you were moving, you were doing it right. That's all you got to do. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back again and dance with me in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.